stands outside of time.
About 160, 170 mile an hour winds.
There are forces stronger than you and I.
Yeah.
It'll mess some stuff up.
Okay, folks, it's getting real now.
Oh my.
There's no way.
I've seen the dark figure.
I know Tracy's not going to doctor a picture and show it to me and be like, oh, hey, look what I found in the woods.
I just feel like we're not alone. What do you think?
Like I have spiders crawling on me.
Some really crazy stuff happens up there.
I had to go find the Bellamy Bridge.
That brought a curse down upon Elizabeth.
A monster storm hits Florida.
It's so much pressure.
Praying for it to be over.
The worst case scenario.
They described hearing the demons in the wind.
Come here. I think just over the years, I think it's just created this, whatever's down here.
Cause I believe, I'm a natural born believer, I believe.